morning, everyone. Thomas Donahue from the Driver's Apex. Oh, look at that. The wet garage. I think I'm going to plan on doing some painting today. We're going to go ahead and get those mirrors, I think, painted and clear coated today. So this is what I'm going to use for, I'm either going to use this cord for painting or we're going to use a vise. I'm not quite sure, with a screw on the bottom of the mirrors. But I went ahead and blew out the garage and then hosed down the garage. And then I think before we paint, I'm just gonna put a light coat of water down. That'll keep anything from flying up, dust, stuff like that. That is my goal for the day, is to go ahead and film the painting of the mirrors. We can do some around the curve here.
Yeah.
All right, we're out searching for some roads, some empty roads, somewhere that it's safe. I've seen a lot of 911 turbos. Oh, there it is. A lot of 911 turbos, a lot of snowbirds back in town. Saw an Audi R8 as well. But yeah, we're trying to do some top speed reverse videos, but it's a little busy around here, so just looking for some safe roads. So let's pause. Show everyone what it's like when you're in the car for filming. Alright. And then this is the Alright. Water bottle's chilling. We're doing 45 miles per hour. Let's get through this dip first. That's fairly straight. We're gonna do a threshold brake.